Hey Mary, show me that riff.
Okay. to say. iTunes, Amazon, and Google Play. That's the place where I sell my songs online. I also have a Patreon site where you can get all the songs with an extra bite. Yeah, that's lossless format for all you audio eclectics.
Studios.
Here's only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:35. The moonlight wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melody. He turned to me as if to say, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you.